Okay, let's deal with the half past time. Half past time. Let's deal with the half past time. The half past time. Half past time is also simple to read, as it is also called the 30 minutes past time, or you can call it 30 minutes past time. In this time, I said the half past time can also be called 30 minutes past time. The half past time can also be called 30 minutes past time. That's what I said. In this type of time, your minutes hand must always be at 6. Your minutes hand must always be at 6. Because 6 is the 30. This is it. It's at 6 right now. This is half past the number that the hour hand just passed. Remember, the hour hand has not touched 4 yet. From what we have here, the hour hand has not touched 4, but the hour hand just passed number 3. The hour hand just passed number 3, but the hour hand has not touched number 4. So because the hour hand has not touched number 4, but just passed number 3, so the time is 30 minutes past 3. 30 minutes past 3. Don't forget, this is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. This is 30 minutes past 3. Or you say half past 3. Half past 3. Half past 3. Or 30 minutes past 3. Half past 3 or 30 minutes past 3. That is the time you should be reading. Half past 3 or 30 minutes past 3. Let me make other time for you to see. Let me make other time for you to see. Look at this. The hour hand just passed 4, but has not reached at 5. The hour hand just passed 4, but has not reached at 5. But the minute hand is at 6, and 6 is 30 minutes. So this is half past 4, half past 4, or 30 minutes past 4. This is half past 4, or 30 minutes past 4. Let me quickly write down similar work on the board for you to see. This is my clock. A dot, 12, 6, 3, 9. 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. A long hand, which is a minute hand, at 6. Short hand, in between 3 and 4. In between 1 and 2. In between 7 and 8. This is A, B, C. My A, my B, and my C. My A is half past 1, because the short hand is not at 2, it just past 1. So that will be half past 1, which is also written in this form: 1 with 2 dots and 30. 1, 2 dots and 30. My B is in between 3 and 4, which means the short hand has not reached at 4. It just passed 3. So it is 3:30. 3, 2 dots and 30. That is how you should write your time for me. That is 3:30 or half past 3. 1:30 or half past 1. Or you say 30 minutes past 1. This is 30 minutes past 1, 30 minutes past 3, or 1:30, 3:30, or half minutes past 1, half minutes past 3. Now our C is in between 7 and 8, which means C has not yet reached 8, but just past 7. So that will be 7:30 or half past 7 or 30 minutes past 7. Your A, you can read your A in this form. Remember how to read it. 30 minutes past 1 or half past 1. Your second answer, you have 3:30. That is 30 minutes past 3 or half past 3. The next one is 7:30. This is 30 minutes past 7 or half past 7. So if I ask you to read or to write the time in the two ways I taught you, these are the two ways I want to write it for. Number one, which is 1:30, you have to read it in this form, 30 minutes past 1 or half past 1. Number two, which is B, 30 minutes past 3 or half past 3. And this is 30 minutes past 7 or half past 7. If you don't want to read it this way, read it this way. This way or this way, this way or this way. Now, you carefully do this for me. Write this time in its two ways that I've taught you right now. In two ways that I've taught you right now, please. In between 2 and 3, in between 4 and 5, in between 8 and 9, in between 10 and 11, A, B, C, D. Put the timing for me. Ensure you get the right answer. Write each of the answer in the two ways I have shown you. Write each of the answer. A is two way, B the two ways, C the two ways, D the two ways, and submit if you're done. We are going to see in the next class. Thank you.